Hello everyone, I hope you are doing very well. This is Stella Wembley, and today I'm going to talk to you about the Duat, a symbol represented in the hieroglyphs as a star in a circle. I don't know if you have ever seen this symbol, but I'm very fascinated by this symbol. The Duat is also the realm of the dead in ancient Egyptian mythology. The realm of the dead, of course, is associated with darkness, with the unknown. Therefore, I'm going to talk to you about this symbol and also about the darkness, the unknown, and how to find the light even when you feel like you are in the darkness and you cannot overcome difficulties. When we enter darkness, the unknown, it can be very scary, but you need to remember that there is no light without darkness. Actually, most of the times, we need to be in the darkness to find our light, and to become an alchemist, we need to know this darkness to be able to transform the darkness into light. So we need to be in the darkness of the night. We need this darkness to understand how to use the power of transformation, and we need to find the light within. We need to use enlightenment. At night, stars show us how the power of their light can shine and illuminate darkness. And so, we can shine and we can find the light within us, even during difficult times. The Duat, as I said, is the symbol of the underworld in Egyptian mythology. A star in a circle reminds us of the light we have within and that can shine even in the darkest night. The Duat was also a region through which the sun god Ra traveled from east to west each night, and it was the place where people's souls went after judgment. The 5 points of a star, Duat, can be also compared to Da Vinci perfected man standing within the circle. The circle represents the limitless beginning and ending presence of spirit. We are connected to the divine. We are connected to spirit, to God, even if we were separated at birth. So if you are in a dark time, if you are facing a difficult time, ask for help. I learned how powerful can be talking to angels, communicating with Spirit, God, as they are always listening to us and will help us through the darkest times if we ask for help. Another thing that shines for us and guides us during the night and the darkest times is the moon. Lunar energy is connected to our intuition, even premonition and clairvoyance abilities, our divine feminine energy, love and sexual energy. It can be difficult at times to balance all the emotions, especially during a full moon, but try to connect with your intuition and learn to trust yourself. It's also very important to let go of the things that you know are not bringing you happiness, but only madness and pain, because this will set you free and you will find confidence, you will find peace and a sense of empowerment. Once you learn how to use your intuition, and once you learn about your divine feminine energy, and you learn how to balance your emotions, you can easily overcome all the challenges, find new opportunities, and allow a transformation, so you will be achieving another level of consciousness. This is my message for you. I wish you a happy full moon. I love you a lot, and I will talk to you again soon. Bye.